Hi, my name is Corey Turner. I've been in the Ridgeback community since roughly 2005 or 2006. Have Ridgeback since 2004. And today I want to show you how to identify if a breeder has completed health testing on their breeding dogs. So I'm going to show you my website and how to look up a dog to see if they have health testing completed. So I'm just going to scroll down. This is my own website. I'm going to scroll down here and show you how to find the information. So this is my dog Harper. She is deceased, but she does have health testing on the Orthopedic Foundation for Animals website, which I'm going to show you. We're just going to use part of her name. I do have her registration number listed here, but typically a lot of breeders don't have those listed on their websites. You should be able to ask the breeder if they can provide health testing results. And if they're not really willing to do that, or if they're not willing to provide either the dog's registered name or the dog's registration number, that's a red flag, in that they're probably not testing and they don't want you to know that. So the other part of the name up here, this is just her registered name. These are her titles. We don't need those to be able to look her up in this database, but I'm just going to show you how to do that. So we're just going to use part of her name. We're just going to use the word Ashes here to look up her information. And we're going to go to another website. I'll show you what that is. So this is the Pedigree online search tool. This is only for Ridgebacks. And this is the web link here at the top, so you can pause and write that down if you need to, or look it up on your phone. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Search Now at the top. It's going to bring you to this page, and then if you do have the dog's registration number, you can click the button for registration number and type the registration number into the box, or you can just look it up by dog name, and that's what we're going to do. So again, we just looked it up on the website, and we're just going to type in part of that name. So there it is, Ashes, and then we're going to do Search Now. All right, and so I did look this up earlier, so it's already highlighted, but every dog that has the word Ashes in their registered name is going to be on the site. And then you're just going to click on the dog's name. And this is the expanded pedigree of the dog. If you look in the center here, this is the dog that we're looking for. I'll zoom in so you can see that. So there's the dog's name, Semper Fidelis Ashes of Fire. So all you need to do is click on the hyperlink for that dog, and then you can get the dog's registration number. So again, I did have it on my website, but you can see it's right here at the top. And then all you need to do is copy it. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to go to the Orthopedic Foundation for Animals website. The Orthopedic Foundation for Animals is an open database, and it has every dog that's been tested is listed on this website. Again, it is a public, open website. Anybody can go here and look this information up. It's just a matter of knowing how to do it. So you're going to click on the top right corner at the magnifying glass, and it's going to pop down to the orange screen, and then you're going to paste the dog's registration number in the box, and then you're going to hit Search. Once the search is complete, you'll see the dog's name pop up down here, sort of in the middle. And that's going to hyperlink to a new page, so you go ahead and click on that. Give it a second so it can load, and there it is. There's the dog's name. The dog's name is here. The dog's registration number, the date of birth and everything. And if you want, you can always go back or ask the breeder if this is their dog, and they should be able to confirm with you that it is. So you can scroll down here beyond the orange boxes. And not every breeder is going to have a photo. Most of them don't. So if it doesn't have a photo, it's not the end of the world. So here are the health tests that were completed for this particular dog. The required health testing for the Rhodesian Ridgeback Club of the United States, to be considered an ethical breeder, there are 4 required tests. The tests are thyroid, hips, elbows, and eyes. Now, that being said, there are several other tests that should also be done. Cardiac is one of those tests. They should be doing an advanced cardiac with an echocardiogram. And if you slide over to the right here, this is the echocardiogram block, the conclusion for that test. And it should say echo. Again, this dog is deceased, so I didn't have the time to get her echocardiogram completed before doing, before she passed away. But anyway, so this is the conclusion column here in the right-hand side, and this lines up with all the tests that are over there on the left side. So you can easily see, each test and the result of each test by sliding over here. This isn't very user-friendly as far as how it displays on your phone, but, you can sort of zoom in and zoom out and be able to see all the results of the tests. So, and that's how you find it. Again, that's the best way to do it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching.